All right, I'm making another video and try to keep this real short. The other week I posted a video up. The unit was kind of surging. The flow was kind of choppy coming out. I've got enough water in here. I mean, it's well above the bulkhead, a few inches, but I did my first job with this unit the other day. It's a new pump, new unloader, new control. I replaced a lot of stuff other than the engine. I still got to get a new quick connect. You can see it kind of dripping right here, and this is leaking a little bit here too. You can see it down there. But other than that, this did a pretty good job. The pool shock that I got from the pool place here locally was crap. It's probably sitting there a few months, but I'm gonna crank this thing up and let you see the flow coming out of here now. And I don't know if this is about normal. It's 5.2 gallons a minute, so I'll tell you how far this thing's shooting. Let me crank it up here. And that's shooting to the fence there. That's probably 20 feet. It's a little bit choppy, but it's coming out pretty good. It's touching the fence. Now when I close it, listen to the sound of the engine. I don't know if that's just because it's going into bypass, coming up through here, or what. When I open the ball valve, it changes again. Still shooting good. It's shooting at least to the fence. I mean, that's 25, 30 feet maybe. Close the ball valve. Open it. No bubbles coming through the line.